Alright guys, it's an update on my truck. I changed the injector pressure regulator O-rings out. I've been driving it. It's warm. Got my auto ingenuity over there. Everything looked good on it. Fixing to shut it off and see if it cranks back up after it's warm. So here we go. Turn the key on, wait to start, turn the air off. Here we go, guys. Look at there, bingo. I wanted to see what the duty cycle was this time. Yeah, okay, it went down. Somebody said it shouldn't be over 35%, and I was getting, or over, I don't know, over 30%, and I was getting like 38, I think. So now it's like up to 28 when you crank. So I guess that's good. Anyway, injector pressure regulator seals was my problem. Good luck, guys.